Hey, I'm Christian, the manager of Apollo Screen and Shade in San Diego. If you've been wanting to use your patio more, but the bugs, the sun, or the wind keep getting in the way, that's exactly what our power screens are built for. These are motorized patio screens that lock into sealed side channels, so when they're down, nothing gets through. No gaps, no flapping, no billowing. It's more like a window than a curtain, and they don't just keep the bugs out. Our solar fabrics block up to 97% of UV rays, which means you can seriously cut the heat and glare on your patio without losing the view. During the cooler months, they work the other way too. They hold warmth in and block the chill, so you can stretch your outdoor season by 50 days or more through fall and winter. When you don't need them, one button and they roll right back up into a housing that's barely 4.5 inches. You'd never even know they were there. We build every power screen right here, factory direct. We measure your space, we fabricate it to fit, and our own crew installs it. No middlemen, no subcontractors. We've been doing this for over 20 years, and that's why we can back everything with up to a 20-year warranty on the fabric and the motor. Nobody else in the industry is even close to that. Come see them in person at our showroom in Escondido at 2121 Enterprise Street. We're right down the street from Stone Brewery. Or just give us a call. We answer the phone.